Okay, we're in the month of August. Let's go over our monthly board. In the month of August, we are in the season of summer. In the summertime, it gets really hot outside. So hot that we can't go outside all of the time. We also get to do fun things in the summer, like go swimming outside, go to the beach. We get to take vacations with our families, like maybe go camping, or, maybe some of our friends are going to the water parks, things like that. In the month of August, we are talking about all of our colors. Let's see where we land today. Red. Take a look at your clothes. Are you wearing any red today? I'm not wearing any red today. In the month of August, we are also reviewing all of our shapes. So let's see what shapes we land on today. Oh, circle. So let's make a circle with our fingers. We can take half of our hand and make a C, make another C, and put them together. Makes a circle. We can also draw a circle. Start at the top and go around, around. Makes a circle. In the month of August, we are reviewing the numbers 11 through 20. And this week, we're talking about science. Okay, let's move on to the weather. All right, our weather today is cloudy. Can you find cloudy? Cloudy. All right, let's sing. There was a day when it was dark and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. Okay, it's time for the calendar. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, today is, you're right, Monday. Monday. All right, let's see. We need to count. We need to figure out what number Monday is going to be. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right. We have a new pattern for our week in August. We have ice cream, surfer, scuba. Ice cream, surfer, scuba. Ice cream, surfer, scuba. Ice cream. All right, let's all say today is Monday, Monday, August 10th, 2020. Time for Letters with Grandma. Okay, we are reviewing 3 letters the next couple days. The first letter we're going to review is the letter V. V says V. You guys make the sound V. So to trace V, we take our finger and we go down, up, down, up. Is letter V. And to make letter V with our fingers, our sign for V is V. V. We're also talking about the letter W. W says W. W. To make letter W, we start at the top and we go down, up, down, up. For little w, we do down, up, down, up. W says W. And our sign for W is this. W. We're also talking about the letter X. 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 Let's trace X. We go one line down, one line down, one line down, one line down. You try. X. And to make the sign for letter X, we take our hand, we put it together, and our pointer finger, and we curl it. Is X. X. Okay, time for academics with Erin. Okay, this week we are talking about our numbers 11 to 20. So today we're going to talk about two numbers. We're going to talk about the number 11 and the number 12. We've learned lots of different ways to show the numbers 11 and 12. One way that we can show 11 is by using some dice. When we're using dice to show the number 11, we need two die. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is a way to show 11 with some dice. Touch the number 11. Great job. All right, and the other number that we're reviewing today is 12. Touch the number 12. 12. So we can show 12 on our dice. All right, to show 12 on our dice, we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a way to show 12 on our dice. Great job with 11 and 12. Touch 12. Nice work. Time for theme with Gingy. All right. So this week we are talking about science. Miss Erin and Gingy's favorite, science. So this week we're going to be doing lots of experiments. For experiments, we have a certain protocol that we used. It's called the scientific method. And Gingy has brought a little song here for us to sing. All about the scientific method. You ready to sing it? So, it goes a little something like this. Ask a question, make a guess. That's called a hypothesis. Plan a fair test, do the steps. Look and see just what you get. Make a conclusion and repeat. Being a scientist is really neat. Pretty cool song, huh? So, in our song, we learned lots of things. It tells us all about how we are going to do the experiments, because there's certain protocol that we need to do and certain things that we need to follow. But what it doesn't cover is that while we're doing experiments,
we have certain rules that we need to follow. Because when we're doing experiments, it can seem lots of fun. We do lots of fun things like pour and put things in and mix things together for our experiments, but we have to follow the rules. So, we never grab the materials on the table, the ingredients or anything that we're going to use, or any of the objects to stir or anything like that. We do not touch unless a parent or a teacher tells us it's our turn. We never, ever, ever put anything on our friends or play around with the pieces from the experiment. This is really important because people could get hurt, and we don't want that. And the very last thing is we never, ever, 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 ever put any piece of the experiments in our mouth. So we will get really, really sick